Hello and welcome back to Ultrimax. Here we are to showcase our own SPS paint system. We have a full range of mixing cups, starting from the 385ml mixing cups right up to the 5 litre. So the beauty of this system is with the liner inside, it acts like a vacuum. So once you've finished painting, there is little wastage, if any wastage, and the liner can then be disposed of and thrown away. If there is, however, any wastage left after a painting job, we do supply these little caps that can be placed on the lid, so the paint can then be saved and used again. A unique point of these Ultrimax SPS lids, there is actually a filter placed inside to stop any little bits in the paint to get through into your finish. Also, this system is perfect for the painters that need frequent colour changes. With multiple liners, you can have the paint ready to use. Once you've finished one colour, you just need to quickly flush the gun through and again replace the liner inside the cup. It's a very quick clean-up after each job. Obviously, if it's water-based, it's just a quick flush through with water or a solvent, just the thinners. And all you need to do is just make sure the end of the gun is clean, as these are disposable. The Ultrimax paint cup system as a kit. This is 650ml, we also do it in the 850ml. In this kit it contains 50 liners, 50 lids with filters, 20 of these stopper caps, 1 cup and 1 collar. That's the kit. All yours to be found on ultrimaxstore.com. It's available in UK and Ireland.